Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas, and today I want to show you this 1971 Chevrolet Nova. So this car is a real super sport that has the original protectoplate and also the original paperwork from when the car was purchased. And it does have some other, actually a lot of other documents, the new parts that were added to the vehicle, so forth and so on. The paint job just got done last month. Today now is April 2020, so this paint job has been wet sanded and buffed out. There's 5 coats of paint, GM black paint, and 5 coats of clear coat that was done. And the shop that I used did a magnificent job. Proud of the guys, and I'm proud to sell the car. So continuing here, the bezels and the rear SS tail bezel is original to the car. The chrome bumper is brand new, the rear chrome bumper. Look at the reflection. It's a mirror finish. You can actually shave in this paint. That's how beautiful it is. Look at that reflection. Okay, that bezel is original. The tires and wheels are brand new. I have an invoice for them. It's obviously, you see it's a Bf Goodrich tire with Cragar chrome wheels on the car that were just added. Beautiful stance. I'll step back here so you can see the stance on the car. It's just simply gorgeous. It goes perfect with the car, like it belonged on it from day one. All the window, the stainless steel trim around here is all brand new. Okay. So is the side mirrors, brand new. The glass all over the car looks really, really in good condition. The louvers on the hood are original. Look at that reflection. That emblem there on both fenders are new. I just put them on. And there I am right there. And we'll talk about, so it's got front power disc brakes. Tires in the front are 215s, the rears are 245s. The front chrome bumper is brand new. We just added that. Original grill, Super Sport grill on the car is original. You guys will be very, very pleased with this one. Really nice condition. And we'll talk about the engine and the drivetrain shortly here, but look at the reflection, guys. Take this to a car show. You are going to win a trophy. I mean, it's that nice. It's that nice. The boys did a great job on this body and paint. So if you're a first-time owner of a classic car or a muscle car, I get asked every time, hey Tom, where do you put the gas in the car? Well, the Nova's back here. Okay, unscrew it, put your gas, and you're done. All right, to answer that question. So now we'll check out the engine compartment. It's got a brand new ZZ4 crate motor in it. It's a 350. Beautiful running, excellent driving car. It's got a 12,000 mile warranty on the motor. And right now the motor only has less than 1,200 miles. And I do have the paperwork that does go with that. Okay. There's your power steering right there. Okay. You got headers. You got power disc brakes. Springs were replaced. Wiper motors there. Works excellent. Summit air filter. Okay. It's a polished Edelbrock intake. 4-barrel carb. Chrome alternator. Okay. Stock upper and lower control arms. There's your washer fluid bottle there. Duralast gold battery. No problems with the battery, with starting, driving. No overheating problems with the radiator. See that big fan in the shroud there? There's your fuel pump. Nice firewall. Under the hood was painted as well. And it's got a really, really nice reflection on there. And in a minute here, I'll show you the trunk, and then we'll fire it up and go for a test drive. Okay? Okay, so we're going to check out the trunk area. Under the trunk lid has been painted, matched the rest of the body. Spare tire jack. Sorry about the wind. Just clean. Okay, there you go. So the Nova is showing 48,652 miles right now. Here's a cold start. That's a factory SS shift knob there. Came original from Chevrolet. Couple pumps. And now we'll go check out the engine compartment here. So here we are. Sounds really nice. No weird noises. Everything functions as it should. Sounds really nice, especially under throttle. Sounds real nice. So here's the interior. Beautiful black interior. Front seat, excellent. Okay. Nice door panels. Super Sport door panels. Okay, with the wood grain. Nice door lips here. Nice weather stripping. Look at the door jambs. They're done really, really nice. Okay. New SS steering wheel. Look how crisp the cluster is on the odometer, speedometer, should I say. Fuel gauge works. Okay, we're gonna go over a couple of other things here. Aftermarket CD player, JVC there. There's your factory 4-speed, brand new carpet just installed. Beautiful dash. Okay. Excellent headliner. Dome light works. Seat belts are all intact there. Back seats, perfect. Just had it redone. There was a little rip on the top part there and the bottom. I just had that redone. Package tray, excellent. Seat belts are all intact. Rear door panels are excellent. Like I said, really, really beautiful car. There are no disappointments here, guys. Okay, it's a beautiful 71 Chevrolet Nova. A Super Sport with paperwork. brand new paint, excellent interior, 12,000 mile warranty on the 350 ZZ4 crate motor, which purrs like a kitten with power steering and power brakes. Brand new Cragar wheels with brand new Bf Goodrich tires. I can't brag about this enough. You got to see it in person. Honestly, the first person to come see it and drive it will buy it. Definitely write the check. I will go for a test drive for you guys now shortly. So, window up and down, real easy. Okay, so I just want to show you horn works. Okay, it's a brand new steering wheel. Wipers function. Okay. Turn signal on the left. Turn signal on the right. There's your pull-out switch for the headlights. They all function. Okay. Radio is a JVC. Works. Oil pressure gauge showing a little bit over 40, about 60 when you're on the throttle. Excellent amperage and temp. You're not going to have any overheating issues whatsoever. So we'll go for a little test drive now. So it goes down the road really nice. Fuel gauge works, speedometer like I mentioned, or if I didn't. Really nice day here in Addison, Illinois, April 2020. Hope everyone's being safe out there. Got a Hotchkins front suspension on the car, so it handles really nice. If I didn't mention that earlier, really nice handling. Very easy to drive too. Love this car, man. So the problem these days are not, selling classic muscle cars. It's actually going out and finding another one like this. That's finding one as nice as this to resell to another customer. I mean, that's the hard part. Selling them is not the problem. So if you guys or gals have any questions, call me, text me. I will leave my number at the end of the video. If you need shipping worldwide, actually, as well. I know people on the west coast in the port, east coast on the port. can get you a quote. Everywhere in the world is a little different, obviously, as far as price. Domestically in the U.S., just text me, call me, give me your zip code, email me, whatever you want to do, and I'll get you a quote to have this thing delivered to you. Open trailer and closed. We do both. All of our delivery is insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. Once you get the vehicle in your possession, you are responsible for insurance. So if you're buying the car, make sure you get the VIN number, call your insurance company, and get that all squared away before you take possession. So if you guys are looking for financing, we have one of the best rates, terms available to you for muscle cars. Okay, we'll go for a little for a little longer cruise here. Our rates start at about 3.49%. There's a couple different banks that I use. Okay, we also have no money down loans. If you're looking to finance the entire thing, we can do so. Obviously, you have to have qualified buyers with good credit. Okay, let's face it, no one's going to borrow you money to buy a car if you got delinquency on your credit. So that's the first thing. Credit scores are about 650 and up. Okay, to do an application for the car, credit application, go to lightstream.com. Fill it out. There's a couple other banks that I also use for the classic cars. Those other banks require about 10% down. But lightstream.com is no money down, and they'll have the money in your account the next day. It's very simple. It's the simplest bank that I've ever worked with, and that's why I love them. Okay, good rates, great service, quick turnaround, and not too many questions asked, to be honest. So go ahead and fill that out at lightstream.com. And before you fill out that application, guys, make sure you call me and ask me if this car is still available. We do have other vehicles. My website is mgmclassiccars.com. Go ahead and hop on that website if you guys want to see other makes and models that I have. Okay, and then we can help you out there too. Refer us to a friend. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel for new releases. Go to my Facebook page. Okay, MGM Classic Cars. Like the page, share the page, and that way you're going to get all the new updates as well. If you want to send me your email, I'll put you on our new arrival list too, for all new classic and muscle cars that are coming in. So we're here in Addison, Illinois. We are by appointment during these times. So again, my name is Tom, and you can text me and call me and at 847-848-1850. I'll be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions about any of my cars that I have. Okay, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.